Have you heard of the undercover mode in Kali Linux? Probably not. This is the topic of our video today. I'm going to talk about undercover mode in Kali Linux. So Kali Linux has a feature that's called undercover mode, and it's going to change the interface of Kali Linux to Windows. So you go to the start menu and then you search for undercover mode, and you will find it there. After clicking on it, your computer is going to change to a Windows interface. I never used it, but I think it's a nice feature, especially if you are in a public place and you don't want to look suspicious for other people, because Kali Linux is well known for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Let's try to explore it a little bit. You can see the icons at the bottom. They look exactly like Windows. The background and the start menu, everything looks exactly like Windows. And if we go to File Manager, it looks like Windows. And I think it's also a nice feature for people who are used to Windows. So it looks exactly like Windows, so they don't have the feeling that they change from a system to another one. Now, how to stop it? You can go to start menu, search again for undercover mode, and just clicking on it is gonna stop the undercover mode. So it's gonna go back to Linux, Kali Linux. And now we are back to Kali Linux. Sorry, I'm now in my Windows. Now we are back to Kali Linux. It's Kali Linux interface now. And yeah, just searching for it in the start menu, clicking on it, it's gonna start undercover mode. Again, searching for it and clicking on the icon of undercover mode is gonna stop it. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.